Now the purpose of this lesson is in order to show you how you're going to use the tools or commands that you have on the draw panel. Now the drawing tools can be found on the draw panel. Now this draw panel is going to be on the home tab, and among these drawing tools you're going to find the line, the polyline, the circle, and so on. As well, with many of these tools or commands, you are going to find variations of the same tool or command. As well, you have more drawing tools than the panel can show you. So while using these lessons, you can use the pin in order to have all these tools and commands visible, or you can just follow along. Now I'm just going to use the line tool or command in order to show you the basic functionality that is going to be shared among all the drawing tools. So after clicking the line tool or command, you're going to see that you're able to draw by using the left click on the mouse, regardless of what you're drawing or how you're drawing, which means that regardless of the way that you're using the tool or command, you will be able to draw a shape of your choosing. As well, most of these tools or commands also have a shortcut, and in the case of the line, it's alias and Larry. So you will be able to use a shortcut or alias for many of these tools or commands. Now something important for you to notice is that when you use the drawing tool, you will be able to see the coordinates that you're using right next to the cursor. As well, you will be able to type in a value by using the keyboard. So in order to write down a coordinate, remember that you need to type the first value and then use a comma in order to type the second value. So the first value is for the x-axis, while the second value is for the y-axis. And as well, when using a tool or command, you are going to find these blue numbers, which implies that you will be able to type in a value by using the keyboard. So you will be able to use the keyboard in order to write the exact values that you want to use while using a drawing tool. Now at the same time, in order to cancel a drawing tool, you just need to use escape on the keyboard. However, with some drawing tools, such as the line, once you draw the first line, if you use escape before completing the first line, you will be canceling the tool or command. And if you use escape while drawing the second line, you will keep the first, but not the second. So this is going to be pretty useful when you want to cancel a tool or command, such as the line, without deleting or undoing everything that you have done by that point. And also, if you use escape while typing a value on the keyboard, the only thing that you will be doing is erasing the value so you can type in a new one. And this is something that you can do as many times as you want, which means that you will be able to use escape on the keyboard before confirming a value by using the keyboard. And now as a quick sign-on, please remember that once that you select an object, such as this line, you are going to be able to see the group that is created by the line. Now in this case, I'm just going to delete this line so I can continue using the line tool or command in order to show you what else can you do when using a tool or command that you have on the draw panel. Now among other things for you to know is that you're able to use something that is called a snap in order to connect one object with another. Now these snaps is something that we're going to see later on. So this is just in order to show you that you have available these snaps when drawing on the model space. And as a quick side note, these snaps are very related to the grid. And this is also very important because these snaps are related to the grip. So I'm just going to show you this a little bit later because the grip is made of controls that you can actually use as snaps. And as a quick side note, remember that you are able to hide or unhide the grid of the model space. So once we cover the grip and then we cover these snaps, you are going to see how do you use them as well as how much they are related one with the other. So you will be able to draw on the model space by using as a reference the grid that you have on the model space, or by just simply using other methods that we're going to see throughout the course.